part 1, section 7, or section 1, part 7, whichever you want to call it. Al-Ba'ath. So that's, okay, the last judgment. Ya ayyuha nasu takbu wa rabbakum inna zalzalatal sa'ate shay'un azim yama tarawnaha tadhalu kula mardi'atin amma arda'at wa ta'da'u kula dhate hamlin hamlaha wa tara nasa sukara wa mahum besukara walakina adhaballahi shadid. And not this, but some things I have memorized, but we're reading a particular dialect, so I want to get as close to that as I can from the text. Fa'idha ja'ate saqa yawma yafirul mar'e min aqihe wa ummehe wa abi wa sahibatihi wa baniha lekule amri'in minhum yawma'idhin shanun yugnih. Surah 22, ayat 1 and 2. O ye men, fear your Lord. The cataclysm of the end of the world will be a terrible thing. On the day you shall see it, every suckling mother shall forsake the child she suckles. Every pregnant female will miscarry, and men will appear to thee drunken, although they be not drunken. So dreadful shall be the punishment of God. And typically we have, exactly, thou shalt see people like they're intoxicated, but they're not intoxicated. I don't know, turn on the news, right? Surah 80, ayat 33 to 37. On the day when the blast of the trumpet will resound, man shall flee from his brother, his mother, his father, his consort, his children, every one of them at the moment, having enough to keep himself busy. In kanat illa sihatan wahidatan fa'idahum jami'un ladaina muhdarun fal yawma la tuzlamu nafsun shay'an wala yuhzauna illa ma kuntum ta'amalun inna ashabal jannatil yawma fi shuglin fakihun hum azwajuhum fi zalalin alal ara'ike mutaki'un wam tazul yawma ayyuhal mujrimun. Surah 36, ayat 53 to 56. Let a single cry fill the air, and they shall be assembled to appear before us. On that day no soul shall be wronged at all, nor shall you be rewarded for aught but that which you have done. The elect upon that day will feel ineffable pleasure, they and their wives, in shades on divans reclining. So those fellows of paradise. Surah 36, ayat 59. Set yourselves aside on that day, O ye sinners,